Boy, doing the Intense 5 alone is never fun, but we have to do what we have to do. Kanye's website selling t-shirts, caps, and sweatshirts with our national symbols without getting permission. And them not cheap. But it had to be pulled by the government. Veronica Campbell-Brown gets a statue at the National Stadium. Congrats, VCV! What really happened in Halfway Tree with that taxi? I really hope the people are okay. Wanna just stop speeding now? The reckless driving thing, it don't make it at all. Spicy Fridays. Spice decided that Friday nights need some energy, so why not keep a dance indoors? And finally holding the spot this week, Nicki Minaj is now a wifey. She reportedly got married to her boo, Kenneth Petty, in a small ceremony recently. We wish them all the best. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.